We have been trying for months or even years, doctor. IUI, it stands for intrauterine insemination. Now, normally when couples try naturally, sperm have to travel all a long distance. So when the follicle reaches the right size, so after the procedure, the sperm Many couples come with a very common question. We have been trying for months or even years, doctor, but pregnancy is still not happening. What should we do next? One of the first treatments we often recommend in such situations after having tried multiple natural cycles is IUI, intrauterine insemination. But many people don't really understand what it is, how it works, and what to expect from it. So IUI, it stands for intrauterine insemination. In simple words, it is a fertility treatment where specially prepared sperm sample, they are placed directly into the uterus at the time of ovulation. Okay, so this is to increase the chances of pregnancy. Now, normally when couples try naturally, sperm have to travel all a long distance from the vagina through the cervix and then into the uterus and then into the fallopian tube where the egg is waiting. Okay, but many sperms do not survive this journey for various reasons. So in IUI, we shorten that journey. So the best and the most active sperm are placed directly very close to the tubes into the uterus. So they're much closer to the eggs, and this improves the chances of fertilization. Now let's understand this step-by-step process of IUI. The first step is cycle monitoring. Now at the beginning of the menstrual cycle, ultrasound scans are done to check how the ovaries are responding. Now sometimes medications are given to help the ovary to produce a healthy egg. The second step is tracking ovulation. Now we carefully have to monitor the growth of the follicles. Now these follicles are the structure in the ovary that contains the egg. It's like a water bubble in which the egg is there. Okay, so when the follicle reaches the right size, we know that ovulation is approaching. So the right size is usually around 18 to 22 millimeters. So now the third step is sperm preparation. Now on the day of the procedure, the male partner, he has to provide us semen sample. So in the laboratory, so this sample is washed and processed very thoroughly so that this helps us to select the healthiest and the most active sperm and remove all these unnecessary fluid, debris, abnormal cells and the dead sperm. So all these will be removed and the best sample will be obtained. The fourth step, now this is the IUI procedure itself. So using a very thin and a soft catheter, the prepared sperm are gently placed into the uterus. Okay, then the procedure usually takes only a few minutes and most women feel little to no discomfort at all. So after the procedure, the sperm naturally it moves towards the egg, that is into the fallopian tubes where the fertilization will happen if the egg is present. Now another question usually couples always ask is about the success rates. So the success rates of IUI, it depends on many factors, especially the woman's age, egg quality, sperm health and the reason for infertility. Now on an average, the success rate of a single IUI cycle is around 10 to 15% per cycle. For younger women with good fertility parameters, the chances will be little higher. So doctors usually recommend trying 3 to 4 cycles of IUI before considering more advanced treatments like IVF. But the most important thing here is to remember is that fertility treatment is a journey. Every couple's story is different and the treatment plan should always be personalized. So for many families, IUI becomes the first step that brings them closer to the moment that they have been waiting for, seeing those 2 pink lines on a pregnancy test and beginning a new chapter of life.